Good morning. Oh, what time is it? 7:15. So I've been laying here for about 45 minutes. A little chilly this morning. I don't know if I would have put my rain fly on, could have kept some of the heat inside, but I had all this good ventilation. So, but other than that, woke up once in the middle of the night to the Mother Nature call. Woke up. I didn't wake up before I went to bed though. I had to up and go, and boy did I have some serious Charlie horses. Those are nasty. So we're just let you here for a couple more minutes. Get motivated enough to get my pants on and get up and get some coffee going, some warm grits in my body, and start tearing down. I got the air mattress letting the air out now, so I'll be getting up here pretty direct. So, well guys, we'll see you after a bit. Alright, hopefully you can see me in the footage. Well, it's 20 after 7. Got the tent torn down, kitchen all put away. All I gotta do is finish putting it in the bag, take care of blister, top off my, well, I'm not gonna top off my Camelback. I'll put it half full because I got another water source between here and where I need to be at least 2 more times, so I have plenty of opportunities to get water if I need it. So I just don't want to overweight, especially climbing a hill, but I don't know how far that thing's going to go. I think it's only going about 1/4 of a mile. I wish myself luck on that one. But so far so good. Enjoyed a bowl of grits this morning. Just 1 cup of coffee. I have to take care of number 2 somewhere along the line. Got a little cocky yesterday. I thought it was going to be an easy hike until I hit that descent there behind us, coming in down to Little Minutes Run. So, but it's fun. It's enjoyable. I slept good. That large air mattress I bought helped a lot. But I was chilly last night. Well, I just slept in my underwear, so ain't like I was in my silk long johns. Said I should have done. Because I tell you what, I woke up. My whole bag was. I was all sweaty, and my bag. So I went ahead and took my fleece you see I'm wearing now and wiped down the inside of the bag. That dried that up like instantaneously, and I went right back to sleep. So. But we're learning a lot of stuff. Those MSR groundhog stakes work great. That hookup for the bladder seems to be working fine. Those Band-Aid blister pack Band-Aids work good so far. So, well guys, I know I only got about 80-some minutes left of battery time left on this thing, so I want to save in case we see anything really good. So I'll check back with you guys, hopefully either halfway or at the top of this next mountain. So we'll talk to you then. Take care. Well, we're back again, guys. By the GPS, we're about between 1/4 and halfway up this hill. Mountain, whatever you want to call it. It's not that bad, just taking my time. Still got a ways to go. That's what we've done so far. You can see some of these hillsides go up a ways. There it goes. But this is the way we're moseying at the moment. So far so good. This isn't as bad as Bear Mountain, like I mentioned in another frame ago or so. Also, when I'm thinking about it, I think I've been saying Ryan. I meant Ron, if I haven't corrected myself by now. Ron was the one that went with me to Quehanna Trail last year. Me and Ryan, Pittsburgh Doc, we're going to hook up one of these days and do a trip, but that'll be somewhere down the line. I got another trip scheduled with Ron this year. We're talking about doing the Laurel Highlands Trail, at least half of it because the bridge is out. So, and then of course Iron Boots. So, well guys, I'm gonna see how much more I can get knocked off here and until I check back with you guys later. I'll probably just check in on the top, or I stop, drop the pack, take a little bit of a break. So, talk to you then. Sun's rose and we're about to the top, guys. Just about to the top. There's what we came up. Trying to keep the sun from blinding you guys as it's blinding me. So, stop here, got a swig of water. Nice set of laurel. Alrighty. Alright guys, we made it to the top of the mountain. Right now I'm not needing a break. I took enough little short stops at strategic places to catch my breath. My legs feel good. I feel good. A little rusty again, but that wasn't bad. We're going to be crossing the Caledonia Pike here in just about 50 yards. Just wanted to touch base with you and let you know how we're doing. Kind of found a little campsite here. Looks like somebody has. Pretty close to the road too. So, well, till we talk to you later. Thought it would be pretty nice, significant size oats and stuff through here. Like a meadow almost, minus the meadow stuff. You know what I mean? But what we're moseying through now, we should be able to make some half decent time for a while through this. So check back in after a bit. Give you a little more view of the trail here. Nice laurel patch, and I'm sending to myself in order just to keep the bears aware that I'm in here. So places what they like to hang out. Seen some tea berries on the ground already. See if I can zoom this in, guys, without dropping the camera. Sorry if I went too quick there, I didn't realize it. There, I just can't see them in my frame. But, irregardless, there's some tea berries here. I'll get that out of here, sorry. But, this is what we've been trotting through for the last, quarter mile or so. Well, hello guys. We're about 4 miles left of the trail. We're on the main trail again. We're in this tornado damage area. It's nothing really pretty to look at, so I really haven't been filming. It's real thick. Ups and downs. Almost like that they described the roller coaster on the AT. Probably nowhere near what it's like. But still, it's fun. I just wish we had some more shade on this side of the valley, though. It's getting a little warm, so I would think, well, by 3 o'clock we should be back to the Jeep. I'm going to give myself a little breathing room because of the fact of this knee. So I stopped and took a leave and drank some water and ate a granola bar. And that's been about an hour ago, so that should kick in good. So, alright guys, we'll check back in as we're progressing along. Well guys, we're about 20 minutes from the ranger station and the Jeep and the end of the Quehanna Trail West Connector Loop. It's been a great journey, and I'm so thankful you guys were able to come along with me on my trip. Hope you'll like the video and comment and take time to watch. It's probably going to be quite a few parts, so, but I enjoyed filming as much as I did enjoy walking it. I know there's some people out there that take the time to set up a tripod, walk by, show themselves and all that. I don't have the time to do that. Who's really good does that is hiking with Axel.
He's really good at that. So if I'm with somebody else, I might have him videotape me or something, but you really don't need to see me walking. You know, if you do, you see me with a quick pick a little bit. But we're just about done. So when we get back to the ranger station, I'll give you a view of that. And well, hopefully you can see this. We did 21.4 miles. We are done. Ranger station's right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get heading home. So guys, thanks again for joining me on my hike.